Alright, so yesterday I showed Extrude. So let me open up a new one. Uh, you can choose English metric. We're going to do English standard part. Make sure you don't do sheet metal. I'm going to create. Not going to do sheet metal. Not going to worry about that whatsoever for right now. Just going to keep it super basic. And it takes a little while to open up here. So yesterday we did extrude. I'm going to show you today how to revolve. So those are kind of the first two basic commands. And I'll also show you how to make a actual drawing. We'll do it just like yesterday. Once you do the revolve command, just leave it up on the screen, call me over, and I will check you off and give you the points. Alright, so the finally opened up. You have your command ribbon up here at the top, just like on the other one. Model tree on the side. Doing anything, you have to start with a sketch. For right now, just do 2D sketches. I pick a plane to start drawing on. It will align to that plane. Then yesterday we just did a super simple rectangle. To change it, you can dimension it and then type in the size. I can do a 3 by 3. No, you did it yesterday. Again, I'm doing this for the people that weren't here yesterday, but thank you, Nurston. I have now mentioned your name in my video. You're welcome. Yeah, they all have audio. All right. I basically talk through every step. Try the back plug. I don't know. Alright, so I make the square here. I finish the sketch. Then I can extrude it out. Tell it whatever distance. I'll do 1.5 inches. And same thing. Now if I want to do another sketch, I pick a face to draw it on. Make another square. This one I can choose cut, and it will cut through. And there's the 3D object. Let me get rid of this. Alright, for revolve. Same thing, you have to have a sketch of something to revolve something. So I'm going to start a sketch. I'm going to make some shape. I'll keep it simple. I'm going to start with a square. I'm going to make it, I don't know, we'll go 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. Alright, the little yellow dot is your origin. That's where the two other planes kind of meet up. I'm going to space it. So to space it, I just click dimension, click on the edge of the box, and then click on the origin, and I type in 0.5 and it spaces out 0.5. And then going to make the bottom even with the origin. So I click on the bottom of the box, click on the origin, then tell it 0. It will align going that way. Alright, now for the revolve command, you have to have some sort of shape, but you also have to have some access to revolve it around. I am then from the origin, I'm just going to draw a line straight up. I'm not worried about the length. That's going to be the axis that we're going to pivot the whole thing around. I do finish sketch. Right next to extrude is revolve. Alright. I'm going to click my profile first. So I'm going to click the square. And then I'm going to click the axis button. And then I'm going to click on the line. And then it'll literally take it and revolve it around. And you'll end up making a flat ring. Now, I want to show you one other thing. That this is what makes Inventor super awesome, is when you change one thing, it will update everything for you. So on the left side here, it's going to have a little addition to the model tree for every command you do. So it says revolution 1, because that's the first revolution I did. If I click on the plus beside it, inside of that is my sketch. If I right click on that sketch and go edit sketch, it will go back to that sketch. And then I'm going to use fillet and just round to the corners. You click on the where it says revolution, the plus sign, it says sketch underneath it, right click, and then go to edit sketch. So I made a couple changes. I click finish sketch, and then it will automatically update the 3D model. Alright, now I'm going to show how to make a drawing of it. So I'm going to save this real quick. I'm just going to call it ring. Okay, well, here's the beauty of me making a video of it. Alright, so I do new. I'm going to do a drawing. All I did was went back in the sketch and rounded to the corners. Well, the fillet command works pretty much the same as it does in regular CAD. Do you have the sketch of the square and the line? Click finish sketch. Click on the button that says revolve. Alright, click on the square. Click on the button that says axis. And then click on the line. Alright, so I opened up a drawing. If I right click on the side of it here, I'm going to edit sheet to make it a normal 8.5 by 11. Now, to bring a 3D model in, if I click base, I'll get a pop-up. The shape starts following my cursor around. I can change which way it's looking by clicking the orientation button. Alright, I'm going to then, once I have the orientation I want, top, bottom, left, right, whatever you choose, click to place it. And then I can do the other views just by moving my mouse and clicking. So this is my base view. If I pull my mouse to the right and click, I'm going to make a right side view. Pull it up, click, top side view. If I pull it on an angle and click, I can even do an isometric. Alright, right now they all look like boxes. Right click and click create, and it will automatically make them for you. So that is how you can make the drawing. Alright, then if you go annotate, you can do dimensions just like normal. But let me show another neat thing about it. I click new and then drawing. So if I go back to the ring, let me save as. Alright, mine's telling me I don't have enough disk space, so disk. Alright, so if I go back to my 3D part, let's say I'm just going to add something to it so I can make a change. I'm going to do a circle on the surface here, finish sketch. I'm going to extrude it up 1 inch. Alright, if I click save, and I'm getting an error. If you click save and you have room to save it, because I don't know why it won't let me, it automatically updates in the drawing. So that way, if you have to go back and make changes to your 3D object and you have a drawing, it will automatically update the drawing for you.